The Royal Arcade is a historic shopping arcade in the central business district of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Opened in 1870, it connects Burke Street Mall to Little Collins Street with a side offshoot to Elizabeth Street. It is the oldest surviving arcade in Australia, known for its elegant light-filled interior and the large carved mythic figures of Gog and Magog flanking the southern entry. Along with Melbourne's other Victorian-era arcade, the nearby Block Arcade, it is a tourist icon of the city and forms part of the network of lanes and arcades in the CBD. The arcade is listed on the Victorian Heritage Register, won as well as by the National Trust of Australia. It also forms part of Melbourne's Golden Mile Heritage Walk. Designed by Charles Webb, who won a competition in 1868, it was formally opened by the Lord Mayor of the City of Melbourne on the 2nd of May 1870. The arcade interior features a high glass roof supported on cast iron frames and elegant bow-fronted shop fronts with arched windows to the storerooms above each shop. It originally featured central hanging lamps, flat shop fronts, a slate floor, and a fountain at the south end. One of the south end shops was occupied by a Turkish bath. The arcade's most famous features were added in 1893. At the south end, the carved mythical figures of Gog and Magog, based on those in London's Guildhall, flank the large Gaunt's clock, which triggers the arms of the figures to strike bells each hour. At the north end, a figure of Father Time was also added. Gaunt was Melbourne's best-known clock maker at the time. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other travel guide and information series, TGIS. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.